Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to clear your search history in Snapchat app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And now to clear our search history in Snapchat, we must first go to the search option by tapping on the magnifying glass option on the top left corner of your phone, just beside your profile picture icon or a Bitmoji icon. You can see the magnifying glass option. Tap there, and now after that all these options will be available to you. You can see all the searches. Now if you want to clear your search, you can see the clear all option available over here just below the cancel, and tap on clear all, and you can see the clear recent option. Just tap on the clear, and there guys, our search history in Snapchat has been cleared. And clearing our search history in Snapchat was that easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.